Air filters helps keep the air entering the engine clean, but it gets dirtier over time with use. Replacing a car air filter is a relatively easy task that can be done in about 5 minutes if you have the right tools and follow these simple steps. Park the car, remove the keys, and set the parking brake. Open the hood and use the prop rod to keep it up. The air filter box is typically a rectangular or square plastic box near the engine, often with a big hose connected to it. Look for any clips or screws holding the air filter box cover in place. Some cars have clips that can be undone by hand, while others may require a screwdriver. Remove the cover carefully, making sure not to break any clips or cause damage. Once the box is open, you will see the air filter inside. It may be dirty or clogged with debris. Simply lift the old air filter out of the box. Be gentle to avoid any debris falling into the intake. Take the new air filter and place it into the air filter box, ensuring it fits snugly. The filter should sit in the box without any gaps. Check the edges of the filter to make sure it's seated properly. Once the air filter is replaced and everything is securely in place, close the hood of the car. Turn on the engine to make sure everything is running smoothly. Regularly cleaning your air filter helps extend your engine's life. If dirt and debris get into the engine, they can damage internal parts. K&N Air Filter Cleaning Kit removes dirt, grime, mold, mildew, allergens, bacteria, and other debris from your air filter. Take out the air filter from the intake pipe, airbox, or custom setup. Spray K&N Air Filter Cleaner on both sides of the filter, focusing on the dirty areas. Then rinse the filter with water. Let the filter dry, then put it back in place. By following these steps, you will have replaced the air filter in just a few minutes, helping improve your car's engine efficiency and air quality.